Welcome to Hartman-Baldwin's Invite Us In series, where we virtually tour some of our favorite home transformations. This time, the spotlight is on the Edgewood residence. This 1924 English cottage underwent a major remodel that refined its existing spaces, converted the attic into a new loft, and turned part of the garage into a new art studio that overlooks a beautiful redesigned koi pond. The result is a charming vintage home with a bright, fresh, and elegant interior that beautifully frames the serene views of the surrounding landscape. As you first enter the home, the redesigned fireplace sports a new stone slab hearth, updated plaster surround, and corbels that perfectly balance traditional details with a more contemporary finish. The soft, neutral palette continues throughout the home, providing an elegant backdrop to the homeowner's art collection. Just off the formal living room, a small powder room was fully updated, introducing a splash of color and upgraded interior amenities. The deep blue mosaic tile adds a fun and edgy element that balances nicely with the cream-colored subway tile on the walls and the polished nickel finish on the vanity and mirror. One of the most dramatic changes occurred in the kitchen. The new black steel windows generously pour natural light into the space, while adding a sophisticated frame to the backyard views. The function-filled island allows the chef to run the show without having to turn their back on their guests or the windows. It's equipped with a 6-burner cooktop, double dishwasher, drawer storage, and some hidden cabinet storage below the seating area. The perimeter walls and cabinets are in a crisp white that contrasts nicely against the natural walnut island and black-honed granite countertop. The breakfast nook adjacent to the island got a little extra flair by adding hand-blown glass cluster pendants above the new breakfast table. The new smaller glass table allows for an intimate spot to soak in the views while making the space feel brighter and more open. For a little modern twist, the new butler's pantry is painted in a fresh tangerine orange that boldly expresses our clients' love for art and color and proves that even storage spaces can make a statement. In the primary suite, the biggest change was in the new luxurious spa bath. As you enter, the granite feature in the walk-in shower captures the eye. It monolithically extends along the ceiling and over an extra deep soaking tub that is flanked by teak cubbies housed within a beautiful granite that matches the shower walls. The new vanity pairs nicely with the rest of the blue-gray tones in the space and features plenty of storage, in-drawer outlets for hot beauty tools, and illuminated mirrors with dimmers and light tones for perfect makeup application. A subtle illuminating feature behind the granite at the sinks and mirrors is available for a little extra drama during a luxurious bath. The second-story remodel included bathroom redesigns, an attic conversion, and new cabinetry in adjacent bedrooms, providing more spaces to work or study from home. The newly converted attic and its 3 skylights help the opposing windows flood the room with natural light. The loft's neutral color palette creates the perfect sanctuary for quiet reflection. Chic wood-shade pendants warmly complement the room's palette, and their stepped oval shape allows for gentle ambient illumination and a more focused downlight, perfect for a relaxing atmosphere. In the backyard, the redesign continues with a remodel of the 3-car garage. Towards the back of the structure, there was a good amount of unused storage space, which provided the perfect location for a new art studio. The space was reconditioned to include proper ventilation, lighting, and water access. The result was a proper art studio, with an added stainless steel sink and cork pinup walls to display art. New French doors opened to the newly redesigned koi pond and outdoor barbecue area, providing this artist with plenty of inspiration. It's always satisfying to successfully transform a home, but nothing compares to hearing our clients tell us how happy they were with the experience. To learn more about us, visit HartmanBaldwin.com, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to hear the stories behind more of our favorite transformations. From all of us at Hartman Baldwin, happy remodeling!